Okay, so today we're going to be going over the proof-close method, and we're going to be using a very small amount of tools. We're just going to need Google Maps and we're going to need Search Atlas. Now, Search Atlas do have a free trial, so if you want to try this out on this software to see if it fits the way that you do these, absolutely fine. If not, there is an alternative in the community as well, which is Local Dominator. So it basically depends on the output and what you like. Personally, I really love Search Atlas. You'll see the side-by-side comparisons it does. Just absolutely perfect for what we're trying to do here with the proof-close method, which is just agitating that pain point for the prospect, right? Like, they all know each other. They know their competitors. If you show one of their competitors doing better than them, absolutely fantastic. The sale is pretty much done. Now, Search Atlas itself is an incredibly powerful tool. This is just using a very small part of it, which is just the local SEO side. But if you are an SEO agency, and you're not already using this and you want to start to just absolutely take over with SEO, get rid of your team of 7 or 8 engineers doing your SEO for you and just let what they call an auto pixel, it's OTTO, install that on your site, and Search Atlas does all of it for you, absolutely everything. It's just insane. I will do another lesson on this where we do a one-page audit on a client if you are trying to sell SEO services and you want to use Search Atlas for that. That's absolutely fine. So all we're going to need is we're going to need to go into the local part here on the left-hand side, and then you want to go down to the Local SEO Heatmaps. Okay, great. And then the one thing that we're going to need here is we want to click on place URL, because really simply, we're just going to go now into Google Maps. All I've done is search for HVAC Utah. I want to scroll down a bit and I want to find a business further down. So let's just grab this one here, Utah's Best Home Pros. And all we want to do is go up to the URL here and we just want to copy this entire thing and then go back to Search Atlas and paste the URL in. Now, sometimes when you are trying to find a business here, you can't find them in Search Atlas. And it's the same for Local Dominator. So if you can't find them in one tool, 99% of the time I can find them in another tool. Worst case scenario, if I can't find them in either of those, I will just go into the GMB Everywhere Chrome extension. I don't have it installed at the moment, and just go in there and just run the single point audit on their city and just go with that. But that is the worst case scenario. The GMB audit extension is actually great if you're on like a cold call and you just want a quick audit because it's instant, whereas Search Atlas, Local Dominator, they do take a minute or so to give you those results. Okay, so as we can see, Utah's Best Home Pros has appeared down here, so we just want to click on View down here on the right. Perfect. Now, typically what I like to do is start at a 30-minute drive time down here. So that's what Google is now trying to help people to rank for, is the actual travel time from your business location rather than 6, 7, 8 miles, whatever that is. So I set this at 30 minutes typically. We're going to go all over Salt Lake City here. We're going to do probably 5 layers is what I like to do for a decent audit. You can purchase add-on credits. It's actually really cheap. For the end result of this, I wouldn't send this cold to a prospect because it does cost you money to run these. But if you get someone a warm SMS, a warm email, whatever it is, someone who's interested on a cold call and you just want to give them an audit, come in here and run this and it's going to do absolutely amazing. So we're going to do your 5 layers, 30 minutes. We want to make sure that this is run once, else you'll end up with dozens and dozens of reports running monthly, which I have ended up with. And we're just going to go for a circle. Now, the one thing we want to do is ideally, you don't want to end up just plastering your pins all over the mountains. So bear with me 1 second. And like Blue Peter, if you watch that, I'm going to go away, delete all these pins on the mountains, and we'll be right back. Okay, there we go. So we got rid of all the pins. And if you are in a city with lots of water, you can just come down here and click remove water pins, and it'll just find all the pins on water, blank them out, saves so much time. It's incredible. So that is it. So we've got our pin sorted. We've got the distance. We've got the layers, the amount of pins that we want to show the actual problem that's going on here. The next thing we want to do, typically, I just go for Smart Suggest. Local Dominator has this as well. So just click Smart Suggest and it will audit the Google Business Profile itself and come back to you with, hey, I think these are the keywords you should rank for. Now, what you want to do is you do want to second guess this. So you want to go, okay, what does this person actually do? Because sometimes the categories are poor or the business name doesn't make sense and Search Atlas or Local Dominator won't pick that up. So we have a HVAC contractor. So we want to make sure that something here is to do with HVAC because that's what they're going to be interested in. Okay, so in this case, in this list, it hasn't actually given me a keyword of anything I would like, but I do know that people do search for HVAC contractor. So we're just going to take that as, don't spell on camera, tractor. So we're going to put that in as our search term, and all we're going to do next is literally just click Run Local Scan. It will now appear down here as a running scan, and we'll be right back as soon as that is finished. Okay, fantastic. There we go. So we have our ranking results back, and as you can see for HVAC contractor, they are ranking a 20.4. Now, it doesn't really matter what ranking you're trying to find with these businesses, whether it's, the 4 to 12, 4 to 10, 7 to 10, whatever it is. If you come across someone, they're warm on email, they're warm on text, and they are a 20.4, whatever you do, you are going to help these people and they're going to really notice it and really appreciate it. So don't let the number put you off. Don't think like, oh my goodness, they're so low, I will never rank them. You can. You absolutely can. You're competing with home pros. You're an agency. You can do this. So all we want to do is click view, and that is going to bring up the audit. Okay, there we go. Isn't this magic? This is like my driving seat. So what we have here on the left-hand side is really, really simple. So the way that I do this on the audits is typically something very similar to this. So it's like, hey, just pulled up your ranking in the local area for HVAC contractor. Right now, it looks like 93% of the time, if anyone within a 30-minute radius is searching for a HVAC contractor, you're just going to disappear and people are only going to see your competitors. And then if they do have like a green pin close by, you can say, I can actually see that like close by, literally in a parking lot next to you, you are showing up as number one. So if you're right outside your place, you Google yourself, HVAC contractor, you will show up. But as soon as we move out like 1, 3, 5, 7 miles, which is still your service area, you just disappear and people only see your competitors. And that's basically how I do that part of the audit, right? It's really, really simple. You just want to explain what is happening, visualize it for them, call out a shocking statistic. I mean, 93% of pins not ranking is shocking. And don't go too complex into this. I've seen a lot of people burn out saying, well, you're 12 here, 18 here, so that means like 3.7% of the time you'll be showing up. They don't give a shit. All you need to say is if your pin is green, you will get calls. If your pin is not green, you will hardly get any calls. And if they're reds or on Local Dominator, it is gray, you're just not showing up at all and people will literally never find you. Okay, now the final part of this audit, all you want to do is show them side by side, them versus a competitor. Now, with Local Dominator, it's really easy. You pull up a list on the left-hand side, which basically shows you the average ranking of people, and you just pick the top one. Whereas with Search Atlas, it's a little bit finicky, but you get really quick at this, especially if you're good at pattern recognition. So I can already see, I think I've seen one that I'm going to pick. So you will basically hover over all of these pins and try and find a business that appears multiple times. So I think this is going to be either Thomas's, which is a great name, by the way, or we're going to go for Beehive. So I'm just going to click on one of these pins. And you don't record this, by the way. You basically find the business you want to compare and then start recording so it doesn't look messy. So we're going to go for Beehive Heating and Air. They've got 299. And then all you want to do is click compare. And this is my favorite bit out of all of this. So that's pretty shocking. That's not great. We're going to go down. We're trying to find Thomas's. Not Thomas Brothers. We want to get Thomas's. And this is sometimes how it goes, especially if it is a really high competition SERP. Okay, that is not great. Okay. We're just going to go with Beehive for now. Now, if you are running into this issue that I am now, and you can't really find one that is like really winning, let's have a look at this guy. Yeah, just one pin. This is a really competitive area. I would increase the amount of pins in this location or literally just stop here and send them this image because whoever they're competing against, they're not doing great. They've only got one pin. But what I am going to do for the sake of this video is pick Beehive and we're going to compare these guys here. Great. Okay. So all I would do is I would just bring these side by side. Now, sometimes you can see these very clearly what's going on, but other times you do have to sometimes zoom in just so the pins appear a little bit nicer. You know, when you take the image, sometimes the pins are too small for them to see, but as long as you send them an image, which clearly shows a competitor doing better, it's really going to help you out. Okay, so we're going to go like this. We're going to drag these up. This is just what happens with this software. When you click Get PDF, it drops the maps down. No idea why, but just raise it up so you don't just, there you go, they drop down. And then as soon as you click Get PDF, this will then generate an image of this local SEO showdown. And then as soon as that's done, we'll move on to the next bit. Okay, there we go. So now we have the local SEO showdown, and all you would do is just take this and put it into your SMS, email, whatever it is, and just send it to the client, either with a little explanation. You could just throw this into Claude and say, you know, explain this to the client, or you can just send it with a little video clip. So for a video clip for something like this, it's like, okay, we've got these, we've gone through, we've found the best example of a competitor doing better. And we just go into it like, okay, so what I've done now is I've pulled up Beehive Heating and Air, one of your competitors. You can see they have got a lot more reviews than you, 299 reviews. We've done the same service area. You can see they're located here. And actually, compared to the 1% of pins where you will get calls, they have 9% of their pins showing up. So they are going to get every single month at least 10 times more calls than you. And they're only ranking in this area here. And you can see actually that only 59% of the time compared to 93% of the time, they're not showing up at all because some of their pins are higher up. We've got some oranges here, 5s, 15s, 11s, 12s. So they are getting more opportunity to show up in those search results. And that's it. That's literally all there is to it. So to go over the steps again, all you need to do is find a business on Google Maps with a scraper, whatever it is you're using. Come into your Search Atlas console, go to your local SEO on the left-hand side, go to Local SEO Heatmaps, copy and paste your URL from Google Maps. You want to copy the whole thing, throw it in here, click save, and then just view the business that you've now saved. From here, you want to set your drive time to be 30 minutes. Set this to run once. If it's competitive, just increase the amount of layers you've got. We're going to go for 5 layers as standard. Remove all of the pins either on mountains or over water, just because it construes the results a little bit. And then all you want to do is just add in your keyword or smart suggested keyword. And once that's done, all you do is click run scan, and that's it. That's literally it. It takes literally seconds to get this set up. Record a quick video or just send a screenshot to the client, and this is an incredible proof close method.